Are you passionate about helping people? Do you have the drive to continue learning and growing? Do you have what it takes to put others' needs first? If you answered yes to any or all these questions, insurance sales may be the right fit for you. Whether it's a whole new career change or a fulfilling side gig, there are many opportunities waiting for you. Before jumping into anything, especially a new profession, it's important to gather the facts. How do you get started in insurance sales? We've got the details outlined in our ebook, Your Step-by-Step Guide to Getting Started in Insurance Sales. Inside, you'll discover what it takes to step foot into insurance sales. What tools do you need? What are the requirements for training and certification? This ebook will guide you on your journey through your initial curiosity about the insurance sales industry to certification, continuing education, and client retention. Download a free copy of the ebook, Your Step-by-Step Guide to Getting Started in Insurance Sales, and immerse yourself into the career possibilities awaiting you. You can find the link to download the free PDF in the episode notes. If you have any questions about your journey in insurance sales, don't hesitate to reach out. We love answering your questions. You can send us an email at asgpodcast@ritterim.com or by leaving a voicemail at 1-717-562-7211. We're excited to meet you wherever you are on the journey. Thank you so much for listening.